Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up my classic size horizontal planner for the week of January 3rd through the 9th. This is the planner where, in theory, I do hand-lettered inspirational quotes. I haven't done them in a while, but I am decorating them, and I will get back into it soon. It's just with the holidays, I haven't gotten back into it yet. So for this one, I want to do, I'm obsessed with snow right now because it's a rare snow event here in the Pacific Northwest. If you don't live up on the mountain, then snow is kind of rare. So I'm doing a lot of snow and mountain related spreads this week, and I have the Love Posh winter sticker book, and I love these 2 pages of stickers. They're exactly the same, but I just absolutely love them. They're so pretty. They're a little bit Christmassy, but more focused on the snow that's on these trees. So first thing I want to do is white out notes. I chose to go with this, the Walmart horizontal planner rather than the pressed florals because it has bright yellow lines, and obviously these are not going to go with bright yellow. So first thing I want to do is take this cluster of trees with the flat edge, and I'm going to stick it right here. This is probably going to be a quick spread, but I do realize I put out a lot of content, and it is the holidays, and I don't expect you guys to watch everything, so it doesn't hurt to have a quick short video every once in a while. So I'm just going to put this toward the bottom, right up against the edge of the boxes. Perfect. This is where I write my one big word that kind of sets the tone for the week for the stickers I'm going to use, or the quotes I'm going to do. So I just need to be able to use a fat pen to write one big word. And then I'm going to count that as enough decoration for Sunday. So the next space we need to worry about is Saturday. And there are some boxes in the back of this book that I can use for who to attribute the quote to. The first half of the second half of the book is lots of pinks and reds, which those are going to be useful for Valentine's Day. And then the front half of the book gets into some different colors, some blues. And as you can see, lots and lots of florals. I'm actually using the only stickers in the whole book that aren't florals. I used these in my lettering planner here recently. So anyway, I definitely want to put some mountains in here. I'm kind of toying with the idea of cutting these mountain stickers because they are pretty big. So let's explore that a little further. So what I was thinking was I could put them kind of right here maybe. So they're not taking up quite as much of the space. And I can even go ahead and let them run off the page. But yeah, I think I want to do that. So let's see, this is a trick, I forget who I got this trick from, but I'm going to take my wax paper that I use mostly for my wellness and fitness planner, and I'm going to kind of slide it under the edge of this sticker a little bit, so that it doesn't stick down too hard if I can. My whiteout was holding down the page. There we go. And let this fall on that sticker. Hi Jasper. You here to supervise Mommy's new idea? Dude. Come on. Sit off to the edge a little bit. Let me finish. I know, you want lunch. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead. I know you can't see. I'm going to go ahead and cut along the black line. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and grab a straight edge since it's right there. And just cut along the black line. Gently, cutting the sticker but not the page underneath. There we go, perfect. Okay. So now I have this piece of sticker that can go somewhere, but first I want to grab one of those boxes. Here we go. I think, let's see, what color matches those florals? The dark. I think the very darkest one. Let's grab one of these. And this is for who the author of the quote is, who to attribute the quote to. And I think I want to go ahead and have this sticker, the mountain sticker, since it's so light. I think I want to let that go right down over. And this is a little bit of a bigger box. I think I want to let that go right down over the attribute box. Hi, Jazzy. You hold that wax paper down for me so it doesn't get away, okay? There. There. That's definitely still enough room. And you know what, guys? It kind of started to peel up the page underneath it, so it's kind of lightened up that burgundy edge of the box underneath, and I think that actually is a pretty darn cool effect, so I'm going with it. All right, Mister, can you come over here? Come over here. I'll move the wax paper out of your way. Come on. Come over here. There you go. Sit down. All right. So the last thing on that page of stickers then is the floral. The pine, the red and green floral. So, oops. So my book is already falling apart. So I want to put that up here. Here we go. So I'm thinking another one of the smaller florals and another box, hi baby, will complete this side of the page. So let's grab this smallest floral. There we go. And let's pick a box to go with it. We'll put this here. Maybe a different color box this time too. I think I kind of like that purpley mauve one, but I also like this lightest pink one. I think the lightest pink. There you go. You just got a tail to look at. It's a smaller box, but that's okay. Where'd my tweezers go, Jazzy? There they are. So I'm just going to put the box right up near Friday and then let the floral fall over top of it. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? There we go. I like that. It's a little sparse, but it's all about the hand lettering, right, guys? Okay, and then on this side, I think I want to put the floral again, but I want to come down here with it. And I'm debating if I want to cut it in half. I think I might want to cut it in half, and I definitely want to do another box down here, maybe another one of these lightest pink ones. Of course, that's going to use them both up, so maybe we'll go burgundy again. Well, I wish there were green ones. There are no green ones. What do you think, Jazzy? Hot pink? How about red? Let's use this slightly redder one. Oh, and I have that piece of mountain too, you guys. Where did it go? It's on the wax paper. Maybe I should put the mountain here, 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 here. Let's put, if we put the mountain here, no, the taller edge of the mountain is here, so I think it needs to go on this side, which means either this box or this box. I don't want them right across from each other, so I'm going to put it in this corner. I'm thinking, so I think I want to go ahead and peel this up and move it all the way to the very edge of the page rather than trying to keep it, well, these stickers are just so big, you guys. They're giving me a little bit of a difficulty. I'm thinking I could turn the box up, but that doesn't leave me very much room at all. Maybe I could put it down here like this. Put the box over the sticker instead of under, and put it right at the very bottom of the page. I could also put it, yeah, let's do that. Let's go ahead and scooch this up and have it, since it's so light, again, since it's so light, and it's going to peel up better because it was sitting on wax paper. And one of the benefits of doing that is the sticker picks up a tiny little bit of wax on its back side, and then it's easier to peel up. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this right over Thursday because it's gonna be super easy to see through it. And then this I can put down here to cover the bottom of the sticker. There we go. It looks a little awkward with that sharp edge, but it's okay. What? Oh my goodness. What? And then, so unfortunately now I'm left with putting trees somewhere. Hi, baby. I guess I could put, let's see. The trees really need to stay on this side of the page. So I guess I could put them like maybe here. And then that's going to leave me with maybe if I put the trees here, I guess I could make this a bigger bit right here and put some more floral there. These are, I knew I would struggle a little bit trying to figure out, you're getting fur everywhere, dude, how to use these stickers, because they are so big and there are only a couple of designs, but I like a challenge, you guys. So maybe I'll bring the flat edge clear over to the punches, like this. And I got a little bit of sticker that went up off the page, and I need to grab my single hole punch to punch those holes real quick. Whoops. Dude. Silly. You silly kitty. Alright, so I did get these punched. Still wiping cat fur off the spread. So I think I want to go ahead and put a box here. And then that'll be 2 boxes on each side. So that's enough there. And I think I want to use the really, really dark one again, even though it's right across. Since I'm putting it down low, I think it'll be okay. I'm just going to snug it right into this corner. Right over top of the tree. It looks like the tree's kind of growing up from behind it. Okay, and then I'm going to put another floral right here. I know that's kind of not my back and forth, but I think it's going to look okay. It's going to have the stickers relatively balanced and spread out. Kind of thinking this double. It's not the smallest, but... And then the other thing I can do is, again, cut it. Yeah, I think I want to cut it, you guys. So when you're going to make a cut like this, pick your attack and then do a nice, quick, decisive cut. And then you'll get a straighter edge that way. Okay, so we're going to put this right against the line again. It's going to go over Wednesday a little bit. It's going to go up to the mountains a little bit, but I could almost put this floral right here. But again, it's just going to look a little weird. Maybe I'll put it, I could put it up here. Where else could use a little floral, you guys? Because I can't let this little bit go to waste. And I can stick it back in the book. I realize that. I don't really want to cover up January. Maybe down here. My one little word for the week, I guess it kind of technically is, but it's big, isn't going to go down into this very bottom corner, really. So maybe we'll go ahead and put this right here. There we go. There we go, you guys. That is it. I know it's super, super simple, but in this particular planner, a lot of the decor is from the handwriting itself. So when I pick pens to match the dark, dark green and the different pinks, it's going to look amazing. So I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you some ideas on how you can create a comfortable, safe space for you to do some hand lettering if you're not quite ready to hand letter in your real main planner. If you do like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.